Hello, young learners. Welcome back to our educational channel, where we make learning fun and exciting. Today, we're going to kick off our journey through the English alphabet, starting with the letter A. A is for apple. Can you say apple? That's right. Apple starts with the letter A. Apples are delicious fruits that come in different colors like red, green, and yellow. They're crunchy and juicy. But wait, there's more. A is also for airplane, ant, and astronaut. Airplanes help us travel to faraway places. Ants are tiny insects that work together in colonies, and astronauts explore space. Now, let's practice writing the letter A together. Grab your pencils and paper, and let's get started. To write the letter A, start at the top. Draw a slanting line from the top left to the bottom right. Then, draw another slanting line from the top right to the bottom left. Finally, connect the two lines with a straight line across the middle. Great job, everyone! You're doing amazing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now, let's play a fun game. I'm going to show you some pictures, and you have to guess what they are. Are you ready? What starts with the letter A? Is it an apple, an alligator, or an arrow? That's right. It's an apple. You're all superstars. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the letter A together. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning adventures. Until next time, happy learning!